No, so EK still is the first and the only world-class theme park in the Philippines, and I think one thing that's non-negotiable is really to follow our core values. No, you have to be really that person that really smiles, that are happy with your job, that are very passionate, because it's part of the service industry. But really providing magical experience is also an elevation. No, hindi lang siya pwedeng normal or simple lang. You have to really create magic for memories to happen. So when you really look at your mission, your vision, but most importantly your core values, I think when we hire and recruit the right people, because we know that when we develop them, sila talaga nagbibigay na service magic. It's not just us as the leaders that operate it. It's really the people around you that operate the ride, that make sure everything is safe, that make sure everything is secure, that perform for entertainments and shows. Lahat po yun, no? All the many cast members or employees that we have, we would need to make sure that they're aligned with our core values so they're able to deliver the magical and enchanting experience that we have here in EK. So, sir,